If you have a Countersunk Cleanout plug like the one you see here, this one is a Rectorseal Tom-Kap, and you don't know how to remove it, then stick around, because in this video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to remove it without having to buy any additional tools. So as you can see here, we tried several things to get ours loose. We tried to hit it with a chisel, hoping that it would catch and then start spinning, but the chisel only cut into it, so that wasn't going to work. I guess the chisel was just a little bit too sharp. Maybe if we had a duller chisel or a punch, that might work. We also tried to turn it by putting a crescent wrench inside the gaps, but this didn't work out either. Next, we decided to try a screwdriver, without much luck. Finally, we just decided to use a wrench and a pliers, and that seemed to do the trick. So that's really all you need: a wrench, pliers, and a little bit of elbow grease. These tend to be stuck on pretty tight, but once you get it loose, you should have no problem.